In fire detection, flexibility and compatibility are essential for creating more efficient and scalable systems. To this end, EHOX presents Sync, a technology that enables both conventional and algorithmic devices to be integrated within the same zone, operating in complete synchronization. Detectors, call points, and modules operate on the same wiring. Sync technology enables each device to be identified, its behavior interpreted and managed in real time, facilitating the modernization of installations and accelerating commissioning. Moreover, EHOX panels allow 2 of their zones to be used to create loops of up to 64 devices, fully supervised. Sync technology offers the versatility to combine conventional or algorithmic devices as required by each project, maintaining maximum reliability. Continuous loop monitoring ensures an immediate response to faults or disconnections, ensuring stability even in complex installations. Another important feature is the use of zone outputs. It is possible to interconnect several panels and form a fully scalable network, always maintaining its hybrid character. The panels share information and operate as a single, coordinated system. The network integrates not only fire panels, but also gas detection panels for car parks, unifying both technologies within a single platform.